How to get 60% off Delta coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're gonna find the search box. Type in Delta Airlines coupon code and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, couponfollow.com. This is the legit website where you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for Delta Airlines. Once you're in the website, just scroll down and check out the offers. 10% off, $200 off, 20% off, and many more. Head towards the offer that you want to grab, just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're going to get the code for it. Make sure you check the expiration date of the code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, go ahead and click on the option of redeem at Delta. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're in the website, you can go ahead and log into your account, book your flight, and proceed to checkout. While you're in the checkout page, you're going to find the section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm it. With that, you're going to get the discount. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website you're going to find amazing offers for Delta Airlines. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. Lastly, head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also try out this one website, Worth Penny, as this is also the legit website where you're going to find tons of offers for Delta. So this way you can easily get up to 60% off working coupon code for Delta. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.